Hi everyone, it's Rose, and I am joined with none other than
Lee Unit.
apparently Lee Unit. And I have kind of a theory issue to rub off you guys. Um, I used to be die hard Knicks girl. Years through all the struggles, through all the how can you do that situations, just everything. Loved the Knicks. And as much as like they had issues and struggles and blah blah, I always went back to loving them because that was my team. And I've had trouble loving them now. Ever since they traded away everyone for Carmelo, and if you've seen my past videos, you know how I don't like Carmelo and I believe that he's bad for a team. Good player, bad for a team.
Bad for a team.
He just doesn't produce when he's like with it. He puts up good numbers, but the whole team doesn't. If you want, check out my other video.
He doesn't
about
make his
Carmelo.
teammates better. That's what
Exactly,
she's saying.
exactly. Thank you. And they traded the entire team except for Landry and Amari. And now that they just lost, and Amari was causing a ruckus, punching things, and letting his emotions get away, and he wasn't playing that well, you know the trade rumors are going to start for where's Amari going? Amari's off the team. So literally, if that does happen and Amari does go, then I'm down to one player, Landry Fields, who was on the team that I fell in love with. So a lot of my friends have been giving me issues and how could you go against the Knicks? You root for the jersey, not the players. And I think that's BS. Like, if you don't care for any of the players or you built up a connection with the team who was growing and they were building, and of course there were a couple trades along the way but nothing major, like that, I don't know. So I loved the Knicks forever. I have so much Knicks stuff you don't even understand, and I can't root for them.
She does.
I've tried, and it just hurts to root for them. They broke my heart.
I've been a fan for as long as I can remember as well, and constantly, it's very hard to keep on watching this sob story for a team that should just be better, and they get all the press, and they get everybody talking about them, and they just don't produce anything. They haven't won a playoff series since Poderick retired. It's ridiculous, and is it me, or were Amare and Landry Fields better players before Carmelo got there?
They were, and the thing I have to say with you right now, this is what really bothers me, is even though that team who they pretty much traded everyone away for Carmelo, I think they were beginning to click. They were playing well. They weren't doing bad. They were in the playoff run when they had that team. They were a playoff team. And Gallo this year has been explosive. He's finally learning how to penetrate and take that shot, which makes him deadly. It's Kevin Love attitude there. But yeah, so like what kills me about that is like I liked Felton. I thought he was a good point guard, but he wasn't what the Knicks needed. If they would have traded away for a solid point guard, I think that team would have done awesome because they were great as a team, and I loved it because it was like it didn't have a true superstar. It was a team coming together and playing great as a team. Lee?
Hey, we've seen it done in Detroit. We've seen it done with, it's teams are good. Even look at the Nuggets right now in the Western Conference.
And the Bulls.
And the Bulls. I mean, yes, they have Rose, but even when they're not with Rose, that's a team.
One good point. Obviously, for any team, you're going to have the face of the team. And
Right.
I understand that. And even when the Knicks
Right,
had it, it was
Amari
Amari.
right.
And he was the face. Like, it doesn't, that
Right,
doesn't
but
even matter.
he didn't overshadow everybody else.
No,
that was
I
a
loved
team
it.
aspect. Yes,
And now
absolutely.
they're down the pooper.
They're down the pooper because they have this one player who's just trying to be bigger and better than everybody else. And we have to go right now because we have a message from our sponsors. Thank you for tuning in.
I'm Rose.
And I'm Lee.
Let us know what you think. Have a good night.
Have a great night.